my channel Max My Heartbeat. Students, now today's topic, let us discuss about examples related to first principles and functional equations. First, let us complete examples related to functional equation. First principle, and then we'll move to functional equations. Okay. So first, let us start examples related to first principle. So first, let us see what is the formula for finding the derivative using a first principle. So formula for finding the derivative using the first principle. So what is the formula? Is f dash x is nothing but derivative of the function f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is the formula for finding derivative using first principle. Okay. So by using this basic definition, I will solve some examples. Let us move to our examples. Okay. I hope up to here no doubt to anybody. So let us move to our first example. The example goes like this. So first example. So limit h tends to 0 f of 2h plus 2 plus h square minus f of 2 by f of h minus h square plus 1 minus f of 1. This value we have to find out. And what is given? Given that f dash of 2 is equal to 6 and f dash of 1 is equal to 4. We don't know the function. F of x value is not given. We need to find f of x. Then we can find f dash x and f dash 1 and f dash 2. Already are given. F dash 1 is 4 and f dash 2 is 6. But we don't know the function f of x. That only we have to find out first. I hope up to here everybody understood. So first let us find out f dash x. Then from that we can find out what is this value. Okay. So first let us write the, okay. I have given options also here. So I am writing options here. So option A is does not exist. Option B is equal to minus 3 by 2. Option C is equal to 3 by 2. And option D is equal to 3. This is the question. Okay. Now let us solve this question. So first, whenever we are starting, we should write the basic definition, that is f dash x. So f dash x formula is f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So now if you observe here, we are finding 2 plus, so I am writing like this, limit h tends to 0. This I am writing as f of 2 plus of 2h plus h square. Can I write like this? Minus f of 2 by, see here, if I take this completely as h, so that I will get limit h tends to 0 f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 by h. So what is the value of h here? 2h plus h square. Okay, again into here denominator was it, what is given, h minus h square plus 1. So if I observe, if I reverse this, then I can write like this, no, f of 1 plus h minus h square minus f of 1. So this is also completely x, if not h. Am I correct? So f of 1 plus h minus f of 1. So in the place of h, what is there here? H minus h square. So h minus h square I am writing here. Okay? Into, so here I am divided. So here I should multiply. So 2h plus h square by, here I have multiplied. So here I should divide h minus h square. Okay? So if we observe here, limit h tends to 0, f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 by h. Value is f dash 2. Okay? So here this is reverse. So that I can write here by f dash 1 into, now I will write limit h tends to 0, 2h plus h square by h minus h square. So that is equal to, this one as it is I am writing f dash 1 by, f dash 2 by f dash 1 into, now if I take h common here, okay, first I will write limit h tends to 0, h of 2 plus h by h of h minus 1, 1 minus h. Here h is common here, and both numerator and denominator 2h, h if I take back, here it is 2, and here 1h goes, means 1 plus 1h will be remaining. In the same way h to 1 minus h, here also h gets cancelled. Now apply limit, so that is equal to, so let us find out what, already I have given no f dash 2 value 6 by f dash 1 value is 4 into, now apply the limit, 2 plus 0 by 1 minus 0. So that is equal to 6 by 4 into 2. 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 ones, 2 threes. So answer is 3. So is equal to 3 is the answer. I hope everybody understood this one. Okay. So this is the first example. Now let us see the next example. Next example question. So I am writing the question now. Let f from R to R be such that f of 1 is equal to 3 and f dash 1 is equal to 6. Then limit x tends to 0, f of 1 plus x by f of 1 whole power 1 by x equals. So what is the value of limit x tends to 0, f of 1 plus x by f of 1 into whole power 1 by x, we have to find out. And options are given. Option A is 1, option B e power 1 by 2, option C e square, option D e cube. Okay. So first let us see what is this form. What is this form of limit? If I substitute x tends to 0 in the place of x 0 here, then I am getting f of 1 by f of 1 whole power 1 by 0. So is nothing but 1 power infinity form. Okay, if the limit is of the form 1 power infinity, then we can write this as e power limit x tends to 0, f of 1 plus x by f of 1 minus 1 whole into 1 by x. So this is the formula. When the limit is of the form 1 power infinity, then we can write this as limit x tends to e power limit x tends to 0, f of 1 plus x by 1 minus 1 into 1 by x. Okay. Now if I take the LCM here, so this one I can write as e power limit x tends to 0 f of 1 plus x minus f of 1 by f of 1 into 1 by x. Okay, so anyhow we know that this value is f dash 1, correct? Yes, so that is equal to f dash 1 by x. So e power listen, e power limit x tends to 0 f of 1 plus x minus f of 1 by x into 1 by f of 1. Can I write like this? Can I interchange x here and 1 f of 1 there? Multiplication, no, I can write a into b or b into a, both are same. So now what is the value of limit x tends to 0 f of 1 plus x minus f of x? That is e power f dash 1, correct? F dash 1 only, know this one, by f of 1. So this becomes e power f dash 1 value is 6 by f of 1 value is 3. Okay, f of 1 value is 3. 3 ones, 3 twos. So answer is e square. Okay, once again I'll explain. Listen. So we have to find out limit x tends to 0 f of 1 plus x by f of 1 whole power 1 by x. Before finding the limit, let us see what is this limit of the form. So this limit is of the form 1 power infinity. How we are getting this 1 power infinity means if you substitute x value 0 here, 1 plus 0 is nothing but f of 1. F of 1 by f of 1 gets cancel 1. So 1 power infinity form this one. So if the limit is of the form 1 power infinity, then we have a standard definition, that is e power, if this limit can be written as like this, e power limit x tends to 0 f of 1 plus x by f of 1 minus 1 into 1 by x. This power becomes multiplication here. Okay, so now if I take LCM here, then f of 1 plus x minus f of 1 by f of 1 into 1 by x, and we have a standard definition, that is e limit x tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x f of x by h is equal to 1. So in the same way here, limit x tends to 0 f of 1 plus x minus f of 1 by x. This value becomes f dash 1. Here already f of 1 is there, so by f of 1. So e power already f dash 1 value is given 6. F of 1 value is 3. So 3 ones, 3 twos. So e square is the answer. So option C. This is how we need to find out limits when given in the question. Okay, these two examples are very very important. Already these are asked in previous years JEE exams. Okay, so now let us see next concept, that is functional equations. So what are the functional equations we have to remember? Let us see. So first condition is f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y. If in the question given like this, f of x is equal to f of x plus f of y, then we have to assume that f of x is equal to k into x. Okay, then our function f of x will be of the form k into x. Okay, and second formula, f of all these are very important, please keep in mind. So is equal to f of x into f of y. Okay, this implies f of x is equal to a power x, means we will get a function of the form a power x definitely. Understood? And third formula, f of xy is equal to f of x plus f of y. This implies f of x is equal to k into log x. Why? Because we know that log xy is equal to log x plus log y. That's why f of xy is equal to f of x plus f of y means we'll get function in log terms. Understood? Because of log xy is equal to log x plus log y. Next, fourth formula, f of x into y is equal to f of x into f of y. This implies our function f of x will be of the form x power n. Okay. Last one, f of x into f of 1 by x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x. Then this implies f of x is equal to 1 plus or minus x power n, where n is a natural number, means n belongs to n. Okay, these are very very important functional equations. So note down. Okay, and after that let us solve an example related to this. Okay, so now let us see one example related to these functional equations. These are very very important functional equations. So let us see one or two examples related to functional equations in our next problems. So only one example is given. So I am starting with example. So example, let be a differentiable function satisfying f of x by y is equal to f of x minus f of y for all x comma y greater than 0 if f dash 1 is equal to 1, then find f of x. This is the question. Okay, I hope by seeing the question one or two members might have got the idea that this is of the form log x by y is equal to log x minus log y. So by seeing the question only we can say that f of x value is log x. Correct? So if anyone did not get that out, then let us see whether we are getting f of x is equal to log x or not. So by seeing the question clearly we can say that log x by y is equal to log x minus log y. So our answer is log x. So f of x is equal to log x. This is the shortcut. But if you don't know, if you are not getting directly by seeing the question, then how? So first let us write our basic definition, that is f dash x is equal to limit s tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Okay. Now what we have to do means, in this equation, functional equation, let us take x value as x plus h and y value as x. Okay, and let us solve. So then what will be this function? F of x plus h by x is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. Am I correct? In the place of x, if I substitute x plus h here, and in the place of y, if I substitute x here, then this will be of the form f of x plus h by x is equal to f of x plus h minus f of x. So Now I got the value of f of x plus h minus f of x, that is f of x plus h by x. So that is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x value, what I am getting here, f of x plus h by x. So f of x plus h by x whole divided by h. So this I am writing as limit h tends to 0, f of 1 plus h by x, okay, minus 0 by h, okay. So in the place of 0 I should get that f of 1. Yes, how to get f of 1 value as 0 here? Simple, substitute x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 here. Then what we will get? F of 1 by 1 is equal to f of 1 minus f of 1. F of 1 by 1 is nothing but f of 1 is equal to 0. So here in the place of 0 can I write 1 here? So f of 1. So limit h tends to 0, f of 1 plus h by x minus f of 1 by, anyhow here h by x is there, means here also I should get h by x. So h by x into x. Okay. So that is equal to, so what is this value? Limit h tends to 0, 1 plus h by x minus 1 by h by x is nothing but 1 by x. Okay. So now I am getting that f dash x value as 1 by x. F dash x is nothing but dy by dx. So dy by dx dy by dx is equal to 1 by x. Now take dx that side. So dy is equal to 1 by x dx. Integrating on both sides. Integral dy is equal to integral 1 by x dx. So integral dy is nothing but y is equal to integral 1 by x is nothing but log x plus c. Here c is a constant, so no need. Y is nothing but f of x. So f of x is equal to log x. Like this we can prove. Understood? Clear? So this is our concept about examples of first principles and functional equations. Okay, let us continue the topic in our next video. So students, if you like my videos, please share to your friends. Any doubt is there in any problem, let me know in your comment section. So comment.